Warm congratulations to Yulong Company for its complete success at the Indonesian International Woodworking Machinery Exhibition from September 20th to September 23rd, and for achieving outstanding results. At this exhibition, Yulong Company was the only exhibitor in the industry that was invited and interviewed. The company's general manager, Wood, made a brief analysis of the exhibition results. Through this exhibition, Yulong Company's strength in the Indonesian market has been demonstrated, and it has also won widespread recognition and praise in the industry, continuing to become a leading brand.